For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. Are you tired of spending a fortune on drones that underperform and break easily? Do you dream of capturing stunning aerial footage without the hefty price tag? Well, I've got some good news for you. I'm about to review one of the most impressive drone models on the market, the Holy Stone HS700E /N. But here's what surprised me when I started testing this drone. It's not just a decent mid-range option, but a game changer in many aspects, /N. Therefore, if you're as excited as I was to try out this drone, let's dive into my review and find out why the Holy Stone HS700E is an absolute must-have for any aspiring aerial photographer or enthusiast. Deep dive. First, 130 words. As we all know, buying a drone can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to the world of aerial photography. With countless options available in the market, it's hard to choose the one that meets your needs and budget. The Holy Stone HS700E, however, has caught my attention with its impressive list of features and price point, /N. The HS700E boasts a 2MP HD camera, capable of capturing crystal-clear images at an altitude of up to 15 meters. But what really sets it apart is its GPS navigation system, which allows for smooth and stable flight even in windy conditions. But don't just take my word for it, let's explore some of the key features that make this drone stand out from the competition, /N. The Holy Stone HS700E features GPS navigation system, 2MP HD camera with 15-meter altitude range, 360-degree EVA stabilization system, long-range control up to 4 km, multiple flight modes, including follow me and circle. Therefore, it's no wonder why the Holy Stone HS700E has received rave reviews from users worldwide. But what about its performance in real-world conditions? Let's put this drone to the test, /N. So how does the Holy Stone HS700E hold up in a real-world scenario? Deep dive. Second, 130 words. I spent several days testing the HS700E, flying it over various terrain types and weather conditions. The results were nothing short of astonishing. This drone performed flawlessly every time, even in strong winds. The GPS system proved to be incredibly accurate, ensuring smooth and stable flight. But what about its camera performance? Does it live up to the hype, /N? Camera performance. The 2MP HD camera is one of the standout features of the Holy Stone HS700E. Capable of capturing stunning images at an altitude of up to 15 meters, this drone is perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts. Now that we've seen what makes this drone tick, let's talk about its value proposition, /N. Value proposition. The Holy Stone HS700E offers incredible value for the price. At under $200, this drone packs a punch when compared to more expensive models on the market. Therefore, if you're looking for an affordable and reliable drone that delivers high-quality results, look no further than the Holy Stone HS700E, /N. But before we wrap up, let's address one of the most common concerns when it comes to buying a drone, /N. Addressing concerns. One of the biggest concerns when buying a drone is battery life. The Holy Stone HS700E has this covered with its long-lasting battery, capable of delivering up to 25 minutes of flight time. Resolution. Last 130 words. In conclusion, the Holy Stone HS700E is an absolute game-changer in the world of drones. With its impressive list of features, including GPS navigation and a high-quality camera, it's no wonder why this drone has received rave reviews from users worldwide, /N. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Holy Stone HS700E today.